Hi, fourth grade team. Thank you so much for letting me join you today during your PLC. I just enjoy listening to the conversations that you have and helping each other through the challenging data that we had to analyze last week. You guys just really impress me with the way that you're able to collaborate and the way that you guys are really able to look at information and decide how best to help your students. But today I really wanted to take a little bit of time to talk about our students who might be struggling with the upcoming tests, our students who are on an IEP, who have a 504, or who may just be expressing anxiety or fear about the upcoming testing. I want you guys to think about one of your students in your class who might fit that profile, who might be on an IEP, have a 504. I want you to picture that student in your head and think, what can I do tomorrow to help them be successful? As we go forward, what I want you guys to do is, you guys have picked out the standards to work on, and so what I'd like you to do is think of some activities to help support that student you were thinking of, the student who might be struggling with the new concepts or who feel that they won't be successful on the test. So today, going forward, what I'd like you to do is work in your partner, in your pairs, and think about activities, games, strategies that you can use. I'd like you to really think about those students and what kind of accommodations they have, and are they accessing them within your classroom. If you're not sure what accommodations they have, I'd really like you to speak with Ms. Harlow and make sure that you understand all the accommodations that the students are allowed, and have they been practicing it? Do they know how to use their multiplication chart? Do they know what highlighting tools are available, and or how to access those accommodations? So at the end of the day, I'd like you guys to get together in your pairs and come up with a plan to help each and all of our students. Thank you so much for letting me join you today, and I anticipate seeing such great activities going on in your classroom. Thank you so much. Have a great day.